Hello everyone and welcome to my How to Short series, and today we're going to be looking at Apple. And we're here to help you unleash your trading instinct. So let's, like we always do, jump into the guidelines. There are three guidelines for shorting that I follow, and it's all-time high, pivot, and time frame. So I like to follow stocks that are making all-time highs and patiently waiting for the pivot. And the pivot is a change in the trend, a change in direction. It could be for 1 day, 2 days, a week, a month. But there are signs and signals of a trend change, and you'll find those signs and signals in various time frames. It could be on the 5-minute chart, 15-minute chart, 1-hour chart, and then that usually tends to move into the daily, weekly charts. Okay, so let's move to the next slide, which is the Apple chart. And here we're looking at an Apple chart, and we are at currently all-time high. We just made an all-time high this morning. And what we're looking at here, so this is at 9:30 at market open, was what you call a gap and crap. So we opened at all-time highs, and there was a failure. Okay, and we're not jumping into this right away to short sell, but we are looking now to short it. Because why? Because we have something to short against. If you don't know what shorting is you sell shares that you don't own and you buy them back at a cheaper price. And the reason why we can potentially look at shorting this is because we have something to trade against, which is the all-time high, which is roughly a 146.25. Well, if we look at this particular candle here, the high is 146.31. So if we start closing a 5, 10 minute, 15-minute candle above this price, then that will be our stop loss. So we'll be looking maybe at risking roughly about 1% here if we decide to short here. So what that would be your risk. And normally when a target that we would have is a previous breakout area, which would be here at about a 143. So right now we have $2, right? So we're risking roughly $1 to make 2. That's a 2-to-1 ROI. So that is risk to reward ratio. So that's good. So we can put on 145.25. That's good. So we can put on a short here, 145.25, and then we can, if we come up at 146, we can add a little more. And then if we close above 146.31 on a 5 or 15-minute candle, we will be paying close attention to that, and that'll be a sign that we will need to get out of that trade. So if we stay below 146 all day today, and if we stay below 145.25 all day today, that's even better. And we'll be looking at getting out down here at 143. And if you're following my How to Trade Gap series, you would know that we're looking to buy at 137 here. So as we're maybe retracing or heading down back to 137, we'll be looking at shorting here, and then we'll be buyers here at 137. So follow along. Let's see, at the end of the day where we're at. We'll make another update video on this, how to short a stock series. Here we're shorting Apple, and we'll see how this trade morphs. So thank you for following. Thank you for your attention. Remember, this is not financial advice. I'm just showing you how I'm trading and how I'm managing my risks and finding opportunities in the market and profiting from it.